What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2005 Chrysler 300C 5.7 liter HEMI. It's got stock cats right there and there into an X pipe. And what we did is a mid muffler delete and a rear resonator delete. And we reused his stock tips. So as always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Decibels. Hit 113. Go ahead and back it up.